Hey everybody, it's Beth. I'm using this 4x6 frame from Dollar Tree and this scrapbook paper I got from Temu. I'm taking the paper and placing it on top of a canvas and just using this push pin to poke holes through the tree. I'm going to be wanting it to look like light is shining through, so the bigger the holes, the more light will shine through. So I just fill up the tree with those holes. I then take the frame and remove the clear piece from the front. It's not glass, it's like a plastic. I take that out and apply Mod Podge to one side of it. I then place that Mod Podge side on top of the scrapbook paper, getting it lined up with the tree, and then just smoothing that out. I do use my heat tool on the back side. I don't want to get it directly on that plastic. Just make sure that's fully dry, and then remove the excess, cutting it away. I then take this rectangle tray that I got from Dollar Tree as well, and I paint that completely with a coat of ink color chalk paint. I then go back with the frame, and I'm removing all of those little pins that hold the picture into place, and then adding some Gorilla Grip glue around the back side of the frame where I'll be attaching the picture. Place back in the picture, and then just smooth that out around the edges. Add a couple drops of hot glue, one in each corner, just to make sure it's in there good. I then take the box that I had painted and place that on top and do attach it. Because it doesn't fit perfectly over that picture, I'm adding tumbling blocks glued one to each side, making sure to glue the side that'll touch the frame and the tray, and then go back over those with that same ink chalk paint. And then I'm stringing these LED lights that I got from Amazon through the top hole in that tray. So just make sure it's lined up with the top part of the picture on that frame, and hot glue the battery pack to the top. I then take the backing from the picture frame and I remove the little stand from it, and I'll be hot gluing that into place on the tray. I just use a pencil to mark where I need to glue it. Add some hot glue below that line and then place that down. I do take a skewer just to make sure that's pushed down and the glue is holding. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.